Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be solving these two questions on logarithm, following the logarithm introduction video that we did. So if you have not seen that video, make sure you go and see them. These are our questions and I want us to solve them together. Alright, going on to the first one, we say that log to the base of 10 of 7 plus log to the base of 10 of 3x plus 2 minus log to the base of 10 of 2x minus 1 is equal to 1. We have to find x in this expression. Very simply, you collect all the, since they are in equal bases, very simply, you can collect all the logs together. Remember the first rule of logarithm. So since this is addition of this, it turns to multiplication of these results. Multiplication of the results. So we have log to the base of 10 of 7 into bracket 3x plus 2, then minus this will be divided by 2x minus 1. So all of this in bracket to the base of 10. So is equal to 1. Now, how can this take care of this? You either say that this 10 will come here to kick this guy up and it gives you 10 raised to the power 1, or you say log 10 log to the base of 10, and here you put log 10 to the base of 10, so that becomes 1, and so log takes care of log. Alright, you can do it either way. So what I would choose to do is bring this guy up here to kick this guy up and equate it to this guy, the way we usually do it. So then we have 7 to bracket this, so that will be 21x plus 14 all over 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 is equal to, this has kicked this guy up, and we now have 10 raised to the power 1. Alright, so 10 raised to the power 1, we know is 10. Alright, so we can then cross multiply, so that we will have something like this. This will cross multiply, so that we have 2x, 10 into bracket 2x minus 1 is equal to 21x plus 14. Alright, so from here, what do we have? This opens the bracket to give us 20x minus 10. This times this 20x, this times this minus 10 is equal to 21x plus 14. Then from here, we can easily subtract. I want the x, collect the x's to this side, or let's collect the x's to that side and collect the constants. Let's collect the x to this side, the constant to that side. So x guys to this guy to this side. It means we'll be subtracting 21 from both sides. So here minus 21x, here minus 21x. This leaves us with minus x. Alright? Then on this other side we're going to add 10 to both sides. So plus 10 and plus 10, so that we have this place becomes 0, here likewise becomes 0. So we have 10 plus this place becomes 24. So that x altogether becomes minus 24. And that becomes our answer for the expression. Alright, now the second question says log to the base of 3. So everything is also in equal bases. We can do the same thing. We'll collect log to the base of 3. Now where we have addition, we multiply the result. So we have this times this minus this. That's what we have. Alright, so that we have 6 times x all over 5. I hope you understand what I just did. Plus meaning times and minus meaning division. So we have this as well. Is equal to 2 again. So we can do the same thing. Or let me use the other method that I talked about here. You could say that log to the base of 3 is equal to of 6x over 5 is equal to log, now to the base of 3 raised to the power 2 to the base of 3. Now, what this means is that this guy can now take care of this guy. So if this guy takes care of this guy, then it means that 6x over 5 is equal to 3 squared. Now, if you don't understand what I did here, simply do what we've done before. Take this guy here to kick this guy up to equate it to this guy, and you have the same thing. Alright, so we can cross multiply from here so that we have this times this. 3 squared times 5 equals 45. That is 9 times 5 is equal to 6x. Alright, from here then we can divide both sides by 6. over 6 over 6, so that x is equal to, when we cut, we have 2 and 15. I have a 7 whole number. I mean 3 here 2, 3 here 15. So 7 whole number 1 over 2, and that becomes our answer. Alright, in further video, we're going to solve more questions on logarithm. If it's your first time in this channel, please do want to subscribe and share this content with your friends who might need it. Thank you, and see you in the next video.